Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix wants and MMS messages on Infinix Note 60. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all check your network. First of all check your internet connection is work properly. After check internet connection, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so open quick setting panel. So just swipe down and turn on mobile data and turn off mobile data. So here showing you mobile data. So you will see turn on or turn off mobile data 1 to 3 times. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, so restart device. Just click and hold side power button. After just click and hold side power button and click on restart. Again click on this restart icon. You will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin and you will check your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on app management. Click on app list. After click on app list, scroll down and search messages app from here. After click on messages app, click on messages app, click on storage and cache if you want to fix this problem. So clear cache messages app. After clear cache messages app, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so click on settings app, scroll down and click on system and click on reset phone and click on reset all settings. After click on reset all settings, again click on reset, enter your phone pin and click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix wants and MMS messages on Infinix Note 60. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.